April's using a table saw for the first time.
All right, my plaster is getting more and more dry every time I come in here. You can see the white is dry and this is still wet. This is where Ender went to town spraying it with a spray bottle and smoothing it out.
Good morning. Welcome to the vlog today. Hey, there she is.
Oh, hi.
Working on the project of the century. There it is. You know, hashtag worth it.
It's just gonna have a lot of character.
She's just doing it by hand now.
And just, yeah, I'm resorting just to making up my own techniques, you know?
It's looking amazing.
You really think so?
Yes, I love it so much, and I'm so glad I am not involved with it.
Well, what if I asked you to rip it all off so I could start over?
That would be something.
I wouldn't do that.
That would be something.
From far away, it looks really good. So
good from far, but far from good. Yeah.
No, I intended for me to be like.
No, you're doing a great job. Keep up the good work.
Okay, so we are taking off the tack strip to this piece of carpet, and we decided to film it. And plastered into the ground. Like plastered in the ground.
No turning back now.
There was no turning back a long time ago. Was the plaster getting ruined?
No.
Can't ruin this.
Dad! Almost. We have done it.
I should have done this from the beginning. I need this side done too.
All right, I just want to show you guys what I'm working on today. I need to get and reorganize the reorganization of the garage. I need a little more space. And, oh, we're dirty. I want to be able to use the side-by-side. I've still got stuff from the moves as storage. I don't want this to be a storage container. I want this to be for fun, usefulness. So we're getting this. I got to get it unloaded. I want to kind of move a lot of this stuff so we can actually store. I know, first world problems. All the e-bikes we have, I want to store a couple over here. That would, and maybe even start using that door. That door right now is not in use, but yes, getting things more under control here. Okay, checking in here. How's things going?
I just broke off a piece.
That looks too thin.
Oh yeah, it is. But you know what? It'll work.
Okay, look at all your hard work.
It's just the way we like it. Right, Ender? Mm-hmm.
You just put it up there. Oh, Frank, don't let that fall over.
It worked.
Okay, April's using a table saw for the first time.
I've done this before.
For the third time. And here we go. Let's see how it goes.
inches. Perfect.
All right, I think it's gonna work.
I'm so excited.
If you guys don't know, April took wood shop.
I did, and you have the awesome muscles, and I have the brains.
Thank you.
I had to do all the math for these things.
It's
Math is
true.
hard, okay?
I know.
He was
so
like, it's
hard.
impossible. I've never done angles. I'm
It's
not
never
doing
worked.
It.
It's never worked.
It works with us together. Don't let it go into the face of it. I'm more worried about the face. So
Yeah.
if you angle into it more, it's better than. There you go. Okay, so now let's flip it or do these. Yeah?
No.
Why?
We already had one today.
No.
Sorry.
So let's do it.
Yeah.
Even though it's a little off.
Yeah, we have to putty it. It's fine. Putty.
We'll do it now.
Yeah. All right, my plaster is getting more and more dry every time I come in here. You can see the white is dry and this is still wet. This is where Ambree went to town spraying it with a spray bottle and smoothing it out. This was the last section we finished. So it will all be this color when it's done, and I don't think I'm going to paint it. I actually think I'm just going to leave it this matte chalky color because it's really raw looking and I like it. So, and then we built this.
Hey, bud. I gotta go edit. Like, I gotta call it a night. I got work to do.
It's 10:30. The night is young. Let's just do
You
this.
mark your studs, like.
Oh, come on.
Okay, we're not finishing it tonight, but we did hang the wood and go your way a little bit. Yeah. But,
Right there.
yeah. So picture that, but stockings hung with care.
Well, we're not gonna hang the stockings
Oh.
in here. I don't know, make pretty candles. Maybe a picture of our wedding day up there.
I gave us a 20% chance of this working.
I said 100%. I knew we could do it.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
What are you guys doing? Are you singing?
Yeah.
Can I hear again?
I thought a bite was coming.
Are you Ariel?
Ouch. My tooth.
You alright?
No, I see it.
You're really getting into it, aren't you?
I